All right, in part 6, you added a single note to the left hand for measures 1 and 2. In part 7, you'll be adding the second note of the C and G major chords. So if you're ready, here's piano assignment number 3. As you can see on the bottom music staff, I've added the G below middle C in measure 1. This is the second note of a C major chord. And in measure 2, I've added the B, which is the second note of a G major chord. In the last video, you used your second finger to play the left-hand C in measure 1, which you'll use again here. With your second finger on the C, your left-hand pinky, or fifth finger, will land perfectly on the G. This same G is the bottom note of the next chord. A good practice habit to follow when learning any new song is to play hands separately. If you practice the C and G with your left hand by itself, all you have to do is come off the C with your second finger and play the B with the third finger at the same time as the G you already played with the previous left-hand chord. In part 8 of my Don't Quit Piano series, I will be adding the third and final note to the C and G major chords. I will also be adding melody notes to complete measure 2 while creating a right-hand melody line for measure 3. If you're just joining this channel, be sure to go back and watch parts 1 through 6 to get the full picture as to how and why I teach using the letters inside each music note. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, I'll be uploading new tutorials every Monday and Thursday morning at 10 o'clock. Have a great day.